In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a project thumbnail on Behance. A thumbnail, or cover image, is the first thing people see when browsing projects on Behance. Its importance lies in drawing attention and sparking curiosity about your work, making it a vital component in your online portfolio. Whether you're a designer, an artist, or a creative professional, having an eye-catching thumbnail can significantly influence how often your project is viewed. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to edit or change your project's thumbnail with some useful tips to enhance your portfolio's presentation. First, you'll need to log into your Behance account. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile and select the project you want to edit. Your profile is the gateway to showcasing your creativity, so ensuring each project is well represented is key. After picking the project in question, look toward the top right of your screen and click on the Edit button. This will open the project editor, where you can make changes to various aspects of your project. Now, within the project editor, direct your attention to the Settings panel. Depending on your interface, this panel might be located on the left side or along the top bar. Here, you'll need to find and click on the option that says Edit Cover or Thumbnail. This is your next step toward a more captivating project presentation. Once you've accessed the thumbnail editor, you have a couple of options. If you have a new image in mind, simply upload it. Alternatively, you can select a frame directly from your existing project content. Whichever option you choose, it's crucial to consider the recommended image dimensions of 808 by 632 pixels. Using this size will ensure your thumbnail is optimized and looks great across different devices. You'll also want to upload your image in JPG or PNG format to maintain quality and compatibility. As you're adjusting your new thumbnail, make sure to check the crop and position to suit your vision perfectly. Fine-tuning these aspects can make a significant difference in presentation. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the next step is to click Save, followed by Update Project. This ensures that your changes are not only finalized, but also shared with your audience immediately. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Choose a clear, eye-catching image that stands out. This is crucial since thumbnails are often viewed in smaller grid formats. It's best to avoid images with too much text or intricate details, as these can get lost at smaller sizes. Also, consider maintaining a consistent style across your portfolio for a more polished appearance. This cohesiveness can make your work feel more professional and attract more visitors. With a little attention to how your projects are presented, you can significantly impact how your portfolio is perceived. That's it for today's tutorial on editing project thumbnails on Behance. Remember, a great thumbnail can make all the difference. Happy creating!